Hi Jeff, this is Byron here with First Class Marketing with a short video on tips and tricks on optimizing your website and your Google profile, driving more traffic to your website and more revenue to your business. These tips and tricks can be used in-house as well, so feel free to use the information. And as you can see here, I do have your website pulled up. And the first thing I do notice is that you have a click to call here and you have a click to email right there. That is great for quick conversions with customers. And as we look through your website here, you have a lot of pictures, a lot of great pictures, and you have some content as well. One thing about Google is that it does want to see about 15 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and the keywords on any home page. And a keyword is basically anything that anyone types into Google searching for a specific service or a product. Now, Google loves information, so you want to strategically place those keywords within your content. So that way it pretty much lets Google know how you want your website to be found on your terms. Now, these pictures here, those can be saved as keywords as well. So I highly suggest doing that as well. This is a tool that we call Arrows. This gives a basic analytical breakdown on your website and how much traffic is going to your website. And you can use this tool as well. And as we take a look here, one thing we look at is the UR and the DR. So the UR represents how much power is going to your website, and the DR represents how much trust does Google have in your website. So with these numbers, you definitely want to be between 30 and 40. That is going to indicate a strong website. So utilizing these tips and tricks that I provide will actually increase those numbers for you. I do show you have 373 backlinks with about 47 referring domains, and backlinks are basically any other website that is linking back to your website via clickable text or hyperlinks. You definitely want to go after backlinks that are related to your niche, and not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks can be spammy, others can be authoritative. So you want to go after the authoritative backlinks because those backlinks will actually add more power to your website. I do show you have about 8 keywords. So in all, you're getting about 8 clicks per month to your website. And just taking a look at the keywords that you have here. So with keywords, you definitely want to stick to local buyer intent keywords that are specific to the area that you provide your service to and the actual service itself. So looking here, you have Tomball Roofing. That's a good one. Tomball Roofer, Tomball Roofing Company, Roofing in Tomball, Weston Roofing, Conroe, Texas. Um, so you definitely want to add more keywords. That is going to add more power to your website as well. And just in comparison here, I looked up roofing in Houston, Texas. And as we take a look at the results, this is what they call the map pack section. And as we scroll down here, this is what we call the organic listing. So you definitely want to aim to be within this map pack section here, because about 30 to 40% of all of your traffic is going to come from this section here, whether it's customers calling into your business directly or people that are visiting your website. And a few tips and tricks on how to actually get onto this map pack section here. You want to create a Google profile as well. And once you create a Google profile, you want to make sure that you are getting consistent good reviews on your profile as well. And with those reviews, you want to respond to those reviews. A lot of companies don't respond, or a lot of companies just don't know to respond as well. So you want to make sure that you are responding to the reviews. And also looking here, this is the About Me section here. So this section has about 750 characters. So you want to make sure that it's filled out completely and also optimized with a few keywords in there as well. And you want to add some pictures to your profile, maybe right at about 100 or so pictures. Google will recognize that. And then also um, your business name, address, phone number, and hours. You want to make sure those are listed the same in every platform, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Doing that will optimize your position within the map pack section here. And also with the map pack, you have what we call citations. Citations are anywhere that your business name, address, phone number, and hours are listed per your Google profile. And you want to make sure all of that is listed the same across the board, as I mentioned, because that is going to get you listed in different directories, such as the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and thousands more. Taking a look at the competition here, this is the Rose Roofing in the area. They are on the first page of Google, and just taking a look at their website. It's a pretty neat website, nicely laid out. They have their phone number listed at the top. They also have a form here with a free quote. That is also great for quick conversions as well. And just looking at their website, they have some great pictures and looks like they have a lot of content. So as we plug them into the tool that we used earlier, which is Arrows, and taking a look at their website, they are at a 30 for the trust for Google, again, which is the DR, and about a 15 as well. So there are some opportunities for them also. They have about 139 backlinks with 39 referring domains. And also they have 122 keywords, which in all is getting them over 1,000 clicks per month to their website. So as you can see, it's a lot of opportunities here for you. And just looking at the keywords that they use, you can use these keywords on your website as well to get more optimization and again bring more power to your website. We have roofing Houston, Texas, Houston, Texas roofer, roofers Houston, Texas. What else we have here? Roof repair Houston, Texas, roof replacement Houston, Texas, roofing companies Houston. So as you can see, they have quite a bit of keywords here that is bringing a lot of power to their website. I hope this video was very informative and helpful as well. If you have any other questions, I actually do this for a living. My contact information will be listed in the email. You can give me a call at any time. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.